It's on the gag reel.
Yeah, but if you point it down, let's accidentally flip it down as I'm falling, it catches that.
Well, there's always that too.
Oh, this light's in the wrong way. I do have to stand right there. Okay. So today's a new day. Roy's finished pulling up the screws in the floor that held the OSB down. And today, let's show you over here. There's Roy. Hi, Roy. Anyway, we're gonna pull out this short piece of wall and this doorway, because just inside there, this used to be the back door to the house, and at another time someone ended up building another bedroom or a room in there, but there used to be cement steps coming down that way. Well, they're still there, and that seems to be a problem because you can't really put floor joists in, that kind of stuff. So Roy and I are going to try to bust that out if we can and get some proper floor joists in and get things done right, we hope. Who knows, we might end up with a stick or two of dynamite. I don't know. Anyway, let's get at her. Used to the outdoors, and this is where the first step is, and this here is the cement first step. Who knows how far it goes that way, but this is what we're supposed to be trying to bust out. Don't know how well it's going to be to do that. And this is the old back door that used to go to the outside on the after this here room over here was built. So that's beautiful. So we're gonna go for it, I guess. Right, Roy? Well, while Roy's busy taking out that, we'll call them floor joists that I ripped out the back door, working on taking the frame out, and there's a floor in there too we need to pop out that leads to the back door. Again, I'm taking all the boards, pulling out the nails, and getting them ready for the burn pile. The less we have to pay to take to the dump, the better. As you can see, Roy found an antique spoon, and there you can see the steps now that they have been revealed. SOS was right. Now for a quick break. So here Roy's trying his hand at chiseling the first step, and here I am with my pie and my cookies, and Roy's gonna come have a few cookies too, and of course your dog, he's got to have his share. As you can see, Roy's trying his hand at trying to chisel them steps out, but this poor little machine's not really meant to do what we're trying to make it do.
Rich?
I found gold. Look at this. We're rich.
See some.
Here. I'll let you have that. I got the rest.
All right.
There's so much of it here. We struck gold.
Wait a minute.
Did you bite it?
That's a double-headed coin. What the hell?
Well, that came from your house. Well, we tried.
No wonder why you keep having to go under the house.
Yeah, but I'm underneath the house now, kinda. I'm getting out of here. Well, we're giving up for the night. Those steps over there, they are not giving up very easy. Back in the old days, they made good cement, and I have a feeling it's cheap enough. I can't believe they spend extra money by the looks of this house, but that might be pure cement, the whole thing, no air gaps. It doesn't sound hollow, and I took that big hammer to it. Anyway, we're gonna give up, and oh, who knows, we might even start tomorrow. But it won't be your tomorrow, but it'll be my tomorrow. So we'll see you later. Thanks for stopping by.